I'm a golf addict, and I had a right total shoulder replacement. The pain in the shoulder was making it impossible for me to maintain a grip during my golf swing, so the ball would go in strange places. And right before surgery, it got to the point where the pain didn't even stop when the shoulder was still.
Shoulder replacement surgery is when we remove the arthritis from the shoulder joint by putting an artificial ball and socket in the joint. Arthritis for many people can be very, very painful, so the idea behind the shoulder replacement is by removing the arthritis in the shoulder joint, we can give you a very well-functioning, pain-free shoulder. Continuity of care is very, very important with the shoulder replacement. I would say 50% of the replacement is based on the surgery itself, and 50% of the replacement is based on therapy. Great therapy will give you a great result with your shoulder replacement.
When a patient comes in with a goal, it tends to make therapy go a lot better and a lot smoother. So a lot of the things that I've worked with Ted were the dynamic activities that he's going to need to get back to golf. So a lot of things that involve his swing and also that involve his range of motion throughout the golf swing.
Matching with Sam is one of those things that has helped the physical therapy go well. He understood that I wanted to get better than I had been for 10 or 15 years. And we've talked about what I can do at home as well as what we do there.
The good thing about Advent Health is we have all of our services connected. So with great communication with our surgeons to great communication here with our therapy team, we do a really great job of just walking that patient through their journey in order to get them back to where they were before. I want the patient to know after they leave physical therapy that they always have a physical therapist here if anything ever comes back up.
With my shoulder, I feel so much better than I did. And the first time I was able to carry a secure grip through the entire golf swing was an amazing moment.